Always have a level 0 voice when the speaker is presenting. Give your attention to the speaker at all times. Applaud at appropriate times. Use active listening skills. Enter and exit by walking. Keep your hands to yourself. Sit in your assigned area of the gym. Wait to be instructed to leave. Be sure to follow directions given by all staff. Thanks, Cobras, for following our expectations at our all-school assembly. We can't wait to see you there.